Friends, what we're looking at right now is some scallops that I have just air fried. And what I did, I cooked these for 8 minutes in an air fryer by Cuisinart. And I kind of wanted to share this with you. I've not shared any of this with anybody. Some people online know we do cooking videos. This has pretty much revolutionized how we cook. I think this one was about 149, 159 bucks, something like this. It's a Cuisinart air fryer. It's a little dirty inside because we've used it. You've used the heck out of it. It comes with this rack. I'll put it in there. And sometimes we cook on that rack. This is a bit discolored. I have been washing it, believe it or not. It looks a bit discolored underneath there, but it comes with that rack that we saw there. It comes with this tray here that catches drippings and stuff, and I wash it after everything that I cook. But so, how did scallops turn out? Fantastic. I just used Mrs. Dash. I've eaten one of them. I turned this one over to show you how it cooked. I did it on air fry. It has different settings here. You'll see you've got warm, broil, toast, bake, and air fry. And I air fry these on 400 degrees for about 8 minutes. And usually you kind of sear scallops in a pan, usually with olive oil or butter or something, and they can fry it and wither away pretty quickly. But the air fryer kept them nice and plump, and they're thoroughly cooked. Fantastic. What I did, I sprayed the bottom pan with Pam. I sprayed the top rack, the little wire rack thing there with Pam too, and so they don't stick. They just turn a stroke of that. That's the first time I've touched that one, and none of it sticks to the rack. I'll be able to clean that rack really easily. Fantastic. But this is my way of doing it. I'm trying not to add salt and stuff to my diet, trying to eat right and just get lots of good protein. But those scallops are really excellent, and you'll think if you cook them that long that they're almost getting ready to burn, but look how nice and plump they are. They're not over dried out. They're tender. And I tell you, it's really excellent. I'm getting ready to put them in this bowl and eat the rest of them. But that's what I used. I sprayed the Pam olive oil. I just want to say a thing about this. To me, this is one of the best Christmas presents. If you got 150 bucks or something, you get these. We bought ours off Amazon. But it's got a lot where you can watch the food cooking while it's in there. It's not like if it's not on, it's not going to do it. But you can. We always watch the food cook. You can peep at it. There are 1,000 recipes online that you can go to and look and see how you cook stuff. Let me tell you something. It has changed our power bill cooking with this thing, because we used to cook with the larger oven. We've barely used this larger oven since we bought this. It cooks pizzas great. It cooks, gee whiz, anything, almost anything we want to cook, we cook in that little oven now. And it uses probably 1/3 the energy that it does just to heat our oven up. So I wanted to throw that out as a last second Christmas gift maybe. If you know someone that really likes to cook, I think they would totally dig this. We've been using it now, I guess it's just a few days before Christmas. We've probably got ours back in September. And it is, I'm not kidding, we cook every day. We cook something in this. And it's just particularly like roasting vegetables and stuff. Basically any kind of meat that you want to cook, it's awesome air fried. Some of them are better air fried, some of them are better baked, but it uses way less energy than the oven. It cooks stuff very thoroughly, and it cooks stuff very fast. We have a convection oven anyway, but I would say that this thing cooks at least twice as fast. So fantastic job, Cuisinart, and of course you can get different brands, but Nikki likes Cuisinart stuff. And I have to say we've had zero problem with this, nothing but 100% satisfaction. So I'm going to go eat some scallops, folks. Thanks for watching. And maybe this is something you want to get for somebody if you're having a hard time coming up with a really good Christmas gift for someone that loves to cook. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like.